Hi friends, today we are going to talk about how we can use the count statement, uh, which will be used for string operation. Okay, so there's count any of and count any not of. Okay, so this is what is there and we are going to use this. Okay, so here is just an example how you will declare. So you might see this is data inline declaration, which is new and it's really helpful. You don't have to use data and all those things. And here is a small example of all this. So what I'm going to do is I'll put a debug here and I'll show you. So here you can see this one will count whether x, how many times x is here in this, how many times 4 is here, which will be 0, and how many times x is here, any not of, and this is any of, and all those things. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll execute and I'll search with this is the radio button, and I'll share this code for you for your simplicity. So here you can see this one, the data. So let me just make this, can I move this? No. Oh, yes, move. So let me move it like this. Okay, so here it would be easy. So here you can see the result 1, x appears 3 times, and that's why the result is 3 in this result 1. Then the result 2 is 0 because 4 is not appearing here. Okay, so it doesn't show. And then I will put result 3, which is any not of. So here if you see x is appearing 3 times, but there is 6 things that is not there. So if I click on it, it will show 6. Okay, and I'll execute. So see 306. Now let's play with it a little. And here what I'm going to do is instead I will just put 1 and 2. Okay, any of, we will see whether how many times, and I'll put y also. Let's see, we'll put y. Okay, and do you want to do with this? We'll do with a here. We'll just change it to a, and here what I'm going to do, any not of, I will say 2. Okay, and we'll see how it will appear. So I'll again execute. If you see here, I'm executing, and now we will just check the answers. So the result 1, it shows 0. Okay, well, why it shows 0? Because now there's nothing, a is not here, so it shows 0. Result 2 is showing 5. Why is showing 5? Because if you notice, 1 and 2, any of 1 and 2 is here once, and y is here 3 times, so that's why it's showing 5 times. Okay, now the last one is any not of result 3. Any not of result 3 will show probably here 1 2 3 4, probably 8 times. Okay, so here is the answer, 8, because 2 is appearing only once, but the others, there's 4 character here and there's 4 character. That's why the answer is 8. So this is very helpful because lots of times you have to build your logic based on that, and instead of using substring and all those operation, you can use this. So this is very helpful, using the count any of and count any not of in your ABAP code in SP as well as S4HANA. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel. Happy SAP for learning, and if you like it, subscribe to it and share it, and because there's every day there's new videos coming around. Thank you and have a great